right, hey everyone, C-Daz here. How you doing? Well, this whole Pandabuy thing is going on a lot, and I mean a lot of people are asking me, what agent do I use? Listen, all right, you sound like a fiend, and I know what a fiend is, all right, because I'm a fiend. I'm a like fiend. I'm gonna tap into my younger generation here that's watching the video on Skibbity, bro. On Skibbity. Go down there and like the video. Don't be a jitliang, bro. Real fucking Latugans.
They like the video.
But no, summer is here. A lot of college students are getting out for the summer, and I'm sure all of them are spending a ton of time outside. They're not locked in the house playing games all day. We wouldn't do that, right? We're not doing that. But you want some clothes, some of that fire, and you're patiently waiting for this whole Pandabuy situation to be resolved so you can go back to ordering your stuff. And knowing what I know, I'm gonna give you guys some more tiny little Pandabuy updates. I have nothing like super huge. Like, no, I actually do have some breaking news. I know, continuity issue, just whatever. So I learned that this all started when somebody at Pandabuy was selling fakes. Big no-no, right? Obviously, we all know that. Now, this person owned a huge rep factory store type of thing in China behind the backs of the CEO, the workers, everybody. Nobody knew this guy was doing this. And come on, this caused huge implications, like huge implications to people at Pandabuy, because now the CEO, the workers, everybody's been affected. And that all directly comes from this one person running a Taobao store being a little bit too greedy. Right now, the police are determining what's everybody's role, how they're connected to this. They're looking into the involvement with this person, into the company, into everything, and that includes the CEO. And the CEO most likely didn't know anything about this. I mean, bro was making a good living. Pandabuy was doing very well. There's no reason really to step out and make a little bit extra money for all that risk. So listen, pray for Jim Sue. Put that down in the comments. Fuck it. Shout out to Jim Sue. He's coming back soon. Free my boy, man. Free my boy. I'm at the car. And I'm going to give you my opinions on all these new agents popping up, because so many people are asking me, oh, should I use this agent? Is this agent good? So I'm going to tell you my honest opinions about the agent. First up, Panda Updates. So Pandabuy is rebuilding from the ground up, and I mean like legitimately from the ground up. They have a new company name. They're restructuring into a new era, and we're not 100% sure what that really means right now, but all we can hope is that it's a better transformation than when Kanye went from dropping the most fire gospel album of all time to doing Yeezy porn, bro. How did that even happen? It's gotta be Lil Nas X, bro. He'll do it to you. Good music, good looks, he's got it all. Hey, yo, what the fuck? But we can assume this new Pandabuy reconstruction update, it's gonna look very similar to probably like Alibaba, DHgate. It's going to be completely new, or at least that's what I've been told. They are still officially under investigation, so they can't really do a whole lot. They're starting to do stuff, but they can't do, everything they probably want to do right now because they still have shit going on. There's still a lot going on behind the scenes. This isn't like your dad getting arrested at the local sports game for drinking a little bit too much beer, all right? This is like your dad drinking a little bit too much and wailing on mommy and the kids with a Ciroc bottle, and unfortunately the neighbors, they overheard and saw everything. It's going to take a minute, and it's going to cause a lot of stress. Now, estimated return, I heard through the grapevine, through the wind, the wind is talking to me, basically means I have no actual source. I'm hearing that it's most likely going to come in June. Me personally, I was told to wait until the 20th to get a major update. I don't know what that means. I don't know if it's actually a major update. I don't know if it's just them saying what's up. Like, I don't know. But as soon as I get that update, I will post it in the Discord, so make sure you guys go join that. Little shameless plug. Sorry. Listen, you guys know why you're here. I got a fucking exclusive for you. I talked to Pandabuy. They informed me that Playboy Cardi is the new CEO. I swear on everything, bro. On Skibbity. And if you don't believe me, bro, just look at the facts. That's why we haven't gotten an update. That's why everything's been radio silent. All we hear is soon. But at the bare minimum, every time Cardi left for a little bit and came back, he's always dropped some fire. So we gotta give him some fucking space, bro. Let him cook. Seriously though, just wait till June. I would say that's probably when we're gonna get some real information, real updates from Pandabuy, not like from me. Alrighty, guys, new agents. All right, new agents is it's a hot topic in the community right now. A lot of people are talking about these new agents that are popping up left and right. Some of these new agents, they're not really new, and the other ones, they're just very sketchy. That's all I'm gonna say. But actually, we're gonna talk about it. I don't want to cast doubt, but listen, bro. There's a new agent called Hubai. Hubai, all right, Hubai, shooting QC scenes. This is just a small part. First of all, whose fucking apartment are they filming in? Questionable person here. All right, this does not look like a very old person. There has been some allegations that they do have some kid workers. I think it might be stemming from this video or a different video. I'm not too sure. But yeah. Dude. No, that's a kid. I mean, you can clearly tell these are adults, but like, oh damn, he's got the Travis Scotts on. What the fuck? Nah, he looks young. I know the tale as old as time has always been that the rep factories hire the fucking retail factory workers to make the reps, but agents? Come on, bro. They pulled this dude right off the production line. Apparently, they saw the backlash from the video and got like a new warehouse and hopefully fucking let the kids go, let them free so they can just go be a kid. I'm pretty sure this guy showed the videos, but I can't, I don't know. Gilly also spoke about it, showing how they're somewhat shady, so I'll play that right now.
Seeing right now, my opinion on this agent is I don't like them. So allegedly, Hubai is using the Panda data breach to target emails at Panda users, which is dodgy as fuck. Allegedly, they're using child workers. It's not alleged. I've seen the videos. I am doing more research into that, so bear with me. And allegedly, they're operating from an apartment. And it makes sense. As far as I'm aware, they have no investors. So obviously, they can't be competing with the big agents straight away. They've got to start from zero. And the downside...
Well, you heard it. All right, I don't know for sure, but little bit dodgy, right? There's only a few rules in this space. You could scam me, you could take my money, you could fuck me over, but listen, if you're using child workers, I got another level of fucking hatred towards you, bro. Let the kids be kids. If any company, if any agent is found out to be using child labor, please just do not support them. Do not use them. Do not support them. If you have a little brother, if you have a little sister, or maybe you're old enough to have a kid, imagine your kid slaving away for pennies on the dollar in a warehouse. And if you don't give them your money, if you don't use them, they're either gonna have to change or they're gonna go out of business, which means these kids aren't gonna be working 20-hour shifts at a fucking factory with no safety limitations. Sorry about that. I got a little personal. My bad. And the other dark side to this whole Hubai shit is their aggressive content creator marketing, bro. They are hiring up all these content creator kids. Hubai content marketing has been so fucking aggressive. I really don't want to blame the content creators, but like, it's just shit like this. Me, after convincing gang to switch to Hubai, 10 kilograms is $100. Don't fucking lie to me. This whole community is built on genuine vouchers. People who genuinely use the service, like the service, and would promote it. Even this, me after learning about Hubai, 11 kilograms is $50, bro. 50 bucks. What are they mailing it by bird? How the fuck is it 50 bucks? They're using Hogwarts Express to ship out your haul. There's no way 11 kilograms for 50 bucks. And the other one, ACB, All China Buy, I believe. They're basically just a reskin of another agent, hiring a lot of ex-Pandabuy employees, but you know, at least they're not hiring children. So that's a plus, I guess. So what should you do? You know, with everything going on finally, you know, what should you do? I mean, I've said it before, I'll say it again. Just wait it out. You can wait a couple more weeks before you start ordering stuff. If this happened to Pandabuy, it could happen to any agent, and everybody right now is taking precautions to make sure this shit doesn't happen to them. These new agents do not have enough reviews to be credible in the slightest, and most of the other agents are taking a step back until June, I think. So actually, no, fuck that. I'm not going to tell you what to do with your money. The only thing I'm going to tell you to do is to do your due diligence, all right? Because listen, you guys are going to do whatever you want to do anyways. I'm not going to say, I can't force you to do anything. I can't force you not to do anything. I sound like a douchebag trying to tell you how to spend your money. Just do due diligence. You're putting your hard-earned money into a service, your schmeckles. Don't get fucking scammed. Unless you're giving me your money, be safe, all right? I'm Mr. Cash App Glitch. You know, send me $100, I'll send you back $1 bajillion. That's all facts, on skibbity, bro. Listen, by the way, I posted a fire video yesterday, and I just want to make sure you guys go check it out. Seriously, let me know. I'm trying to make new content. I'm trying to get better at it. Just leave a comment, be constructive, say, hey, I like this, I didn't like this, do this differently, title it differently, whatever you want to say, bro, I'll hear it out. I want to make better content for you. And you can let me know down in the comments on this video what you want me to post and what you want to see, because, you know, if enough people want it, of course, I'll give it to you. All right, I love you guys. See you guys. Peace.
I do what I want, yeah. You do what you can, yeah. Shout out to my bitch, yeah. Shout out to my bands, yeah. You be on that lame shit, so don't bring that around here.